Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm called Sentam Arajab. I'm a Ugandan by nationality, aged 55 years. I'm married to one wife, Margaret, with 6 biological children. I'm a born-again Christian, and by the grace of God, I'm a pastor. I have called you here to tell you and the entire nation of Uganda that I'm going to contest for the post of the President of the Republic of Uganda in the forthcoming elections 2026-2031. I would like to start by thanking President Museveni for the good things he has done for this nation since 1986. His positive contribution to the nation is evident and will forever be recognized. On January 26, 1986, President Museveni said, I quote, that the problem of Africa in general and Uganda in particular is not the people but the leaders who overstay in power. From 1986 to date, President Museveni is now the most overstayed president in Uganda, which made me think that maybe he forgot his initial observation. As you all are aware, he's still coming back for another 5 years term to make it 45 years, and besides, he is now old. That's why I have decided to come on board and change the status quo. In my manifesto, which is yet to be launched, I'm focusing on 7 pillars. 1, a peaceful political environment. As you are all aware, our current political environment is very hostile. We need to have free, fair, and peaceful political climate. 2, a corrupt-free nation. Corruption is a cancer that has stalled government progress. If I'm elected as President of Uganda, I'll fight it with very strict punishment for all culprits without fear of favor. 3, a tribalistic free nation. Uganda has 56 tribes and above. We need to treat all Ugandans as one, regardless of their tribes. 4, equal opportunity. All Ugandans should have equal opportunity in terms of service delivery. And if I'm elected the President of Uganda, I'll make sure that all Ugandans are treated equally. Number 5, reconciling all Ugandans. Hatred amongst tribes and the religious sector is very paramount and evident in our society. So, when I'm elected as President, I'll make sure I'll reconcile all Ugandans. Number 6, restoration of term limit and age limit. If I'm elected as President of Uganda, I'll restore term limit of 2 terms per president and age limit not exceeding 75 years. Immediately, I'm elected as President. 7, East African community. If I'm elected as President of Uganda, I'll advocate for the East African Federation. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Love Uganda. Love Ugandans. For God and my country.